probably wondering why I have this pizza box here, and it's not actually the remains of my lunch, but more to this later. I'm going to set the scene in the year 2001, where a series of bioterrorist attacks occurred in the United States. 17 people got ill, another 5 got killed, and it was all because they were exposed to spores from the bacterium Bacillus anthracis, which is better known as the bioweapon anthrax. The disease is also called anthrax. So actually the origins of anthrax is a lot more modest than its fearsome reputation. And you find it in farms. It kills animals most of the time. But it's because of its unique characteristics, its toxins, which make it a viable candidate for terrorists to use. But I'm not going to teach you how to make anthrax spores. That's way too dangerous. What I want to focus on is the toxins that anthrax makes and how we can turn it into something that can cure diseases for us, such as cancer. How might you get anthrax, for example? You can get it through the skin, you can get it orally, but most dangerous of all, you can get it by breathing in the spores. When the spores get in, anthrax comes back to life and it destroys your immune system. It targets your cells, basically. Now in the 21st century, I guess everyone has heard of the Trojan horse, right? But us, I don't think we're such big fans of big wooden horses anymore. We like pizza. So that's why anthrax pizza delivery. It delivers us a huge Trojan pizza. Now this pizza-like molecule, it's actually a protein called protective antigen. And it's really clever because it can smuggle into our cells 2 very dangerous toxins, lethal factor and edema factor. These cells can't get into cells alone, but with pizza delivery, they can get into our cells and they can kill us. Symptoms occur. Lethal factor is quite interesting because it targets the communication systems inside our cells. If you destroy the communication systems, such as if you've seen Die Hard 4, the movie Die Hard 4, the whole infrastructure of a city can collapse. For a cell, it can't communicate, it can't do its function, and it dies. Another thing, edema factor. Edema factor is also quite interesting in that it targets our cells, it gets in, it burns away all of our energy. So basically we starve and become really weak. Also, as edema suggests, it leads to fluid accumulation in our body. But the interesting thing is, back to the pizza, what if we can design this to target bad cells instead of good cells in our body? So cancer researchers redesigned this entire molecule and make it focus on targeting cancer cells instead. And when you deliver these very dangerous toxins into a cell, a cancer cell, it destroys the cancer cell without harming any of your normal body cells. So it's been good against colon cancer, breast cancer, melanomas. So the final thing is, we can use this to cure diseases. Enemy of my enemy is my pizza. Thank you.